Like why? They ain't really ride. This is for my homie doing time. Feel a little more, you know it. Hey, what you mean? What it is? Stick right here, yeah. You stick it to the core with me. How you say you really love me, and I know you ain't acting the same. Hanging with the gang. Everybody wanna fuck with you, but they really gon' change. Everybody wanna fuck with us, but you know everything really done changed. I don't know, you know we can't chill. I remember down with pop pills. Everybody wanna fuck with us, everybody wanna fuck with me. Cause you know I really care to jail till you want the truth. All the shit they wanna look at the nigga pockets. They wanna come around, they wanna see how we rockin'. I don't wanna stand by it, yo, you gotta drop it. What you mean in the game, I ain't got it in the headlock. Hey, what if you get shot? I'ma tell you everything you know like a dreadnought. Yeah, they wanna come around and wanna slide. I can fuck with you, where was you in past time? Where was you up in the past? You wasn't with me, you were there when I ain't had no cash. So why the fuck you think you should come around and get it with me? So why the fuck you think you should've come around and get it? Like damn, locked up in the gram, everything. I realized things ain't was true. I was believing what they were saying, but then I looked at the evidence, yeah, they had to prove. They ain't wanna tell me nothing, but you know it's G. I'ma tell you what it is, and this is what I believe. I'ma tell you what it is, and I will never change. I'ma show you everything, yeah, you gotta see. Now what I see and what I felt. Like man, yeah, they think they got me up below the belt. Like I'ma tell you what it is, everything, yeah, it's real. Like I said before, you know that real is real. Everybody say they wanna come and keep it real. Ain't nobody can say that shit. How the fuck you say you wanna come and lay with me? Like you say you wanna come around and be with me, nah. Yeah, tell you something, man, I tell you, yeah, just keep it real. Even if it hurts my feelings, yeah, I asked you a question, you told me like, yeah, and I was like, yeah, that's how you feel. Oh, it's alright, cause I already know just what it is. Oh, yeah, this is what it is. You can't change for nobody, stay it's the same. You gon' be with your brothers, you know, from the day one. Play with the shit, what you mean, let it spray with that 4-5. Yeah, gotta slide. Gotta go, gotta ride. Gotta do all these things for the time. Now my people was about to you a crime. My mama crying. Now damn, they telling me like, man, what's really going on? They just tryna hop up on a song, but I can't fuck with you. Where was you when I was gone? Like, oh, I can't show no fake love. No, yeah, that bitch subscribe. Tell you everything, cause I love you, y'all.
On that fucking perk, yeah, my life a fucking curse. Spit it like a fucking verse. I'll steal your fucking purse, hit you in the fucking dirt. Yeah, my fucking life a nigga, yeah, that shit a fucking curse. I been spending money, seen it in the rain. Niggas, they be tripping, they ain't felt my pain. Looking at the fucking wall, looking at the fucking mirror. Nigga, nobody love me, I can't hear you, nigga. I ain't never drop a tear for a fuck, nigga. Left me in the pain. Niggas, they be tripping and made it through the rain. I made it through the storm, made it through the snow. Pussy niggas tripping, I can't fuck with no hoes. Never trust on no bitch, cause they leave you in the dirt. Smoking on that perk, yeah, my life is a curse. I been spitting on a verse, never rehearse. Yeah, my life is a verse, yeah. Life is a movie, I can't fuck with groupies. Why these bitches choosing, they gon' let you down. I been making money, I been smoking on them pounds. Bitches, they be tripping, nigga, I never let you down, yeah. I'll never let you down, I'ma ride, I'ma ride for you till I motherfucking die, and I'ma motherfucking ride. Baby girl, you know I'ma ride, but I know you ain't gon' ride. And you left me in the pain, nigga felt my pain, made it through the rain, like I never changed, nigga come up feel my pain. Niggas they be trippin', nigga looking at a stain. Niggas they be trippin', these bitches really lame, I never lacking, see the code. Bitches they be trippin', but these bitches they some hoes. Swear to God they switching and the nigga ain't my woe. I'ma go and get it, I been counting on that dough. And I'm a fucking bossing up, I'm trying to get my fucking muscle. Bitches they be trippin', trying to come up in my bubble. I been making money, I stop and I don't stumble. Niggas they be trippin', nigga trippin', yeah I'm humble. I'ma make it to the top, never stop, make a nigga drop. I'm a groove, yeah. Yeah, she left me in the rain, nigga I never change. And I go hard for my pops and my mama. I don't fuck with no drama, tryna get the fucking commas. Call me yo fucking summer, I blow the beat. Nigga come and fuck with me. Nigga left me down and nigga I ain't going fucking sleep. Make it to the fucking top, nigga I never stop. Nigga say they real but nigga yeah they really fucking fake. And they left me like a fucking snake. So I had to get the lawnmower and cut the grass.